In the coming weekend, much of the world will witness a rare astronomical event, a supermoon eclipse. The combination of a supermoon and a total lunar eclipse means that the moon will be brightest and darkest in 2015 and, according to NASA, it will be the closest full moon of the year. This will be the first supermoon eclipse in 33 years, and the next such event will be seen in 2033. While the supermoon lunar eclipse will be visible in the eastern part of North America and all of South America post-sunset Sunday, September 27, Europe, the Middle East and Africa can experience the celestial event in the pre-dawn hours of September 28. The Earth's shadow will begin to dim the supermoon at 8:11 p.m. EDT on September 27, which will also be a harvest moon, according to NASA. The total lunar eclipse will start at 10:11 p.m. EDT, giving the moon a reddish tinge, and will last an hour and 12 minutes. Because the orbit of the moon is not a perfect circle, the moon is sometimes closer to the Earth than at other times during its orbit, astronomers said in a statement. When the moon is farthest away it's known as apogee, and when it's closest it's known as perigee. On September 27, we're going to have a perigee full moon, the closest full moon of the year. The moon is about 31,000 miles closer to Earth at perigee. This distance is equal to more than once around the circumference of Earth, NASA explained. Given its proximity to Earth, the moon appears 14% larger and 30% brighter, resulting in a supermoon. It's supermoon lunar eclipse just planetary dynamics. The orbit of the moon around Earth is inclined to the axis of Earth, and the orbital plane of all these things just falls into place every once in a while, scientists said. When the rhythms line up, you might get 3 to 4 eclipses in a row, or a supermoon and an eclipse happening, according to astronomers. The supermoon occurrence has also triggered concerns among people about the world coming to end. However, scientists dismissed any such rumors. The only thing that will happen on Earth during an eclipse is that people will wake up the next morning with neck pain because they spent the night looking up, they said. September's supermoon lunar eclipse also will mark the end of this year's lunar tetrad. The lunar tetrad is a string of 4 lunar eclipses occurring every 6 months. The present tetrad began in April 2014. The supermoon lunar eclipse is a rare event. Since 1900, there have been just 5 such astronomical events, in 1910, 1928, 1946, 1964 and 1982, according to NASA.